come to Nutter's Crossing in Salisbury probably 2 to 3 times a week. Coming to the driving range provides an opportunity for me to escape some of the grind and bustle and get some alone time.
I usually only play a full round of golf 1 to 2 times a week, so I would say 3 to 4 times a week I just come to work out. It is relaxing. I enjoy being out in the fresh air. Working in the yard and hitting golf balls is pretty much what I do.
A lot of times you don't have 3 or 4 hours to go out and pay $40, $50 for a round of golf. And out here, I can come out here, you spend $2, sometimes $4, and you get a good 15 minutes to a half an hour worth of workout.
I've been playing golf for probably 10 years now, and I'd say for every time I've played a full round, I've gone to the driving range 5 times.
A lot of times when you get on a golf course, you feel like you're slowing the groups up. Out here, they can hit away. If they hit a couple bad shots, no big deal.
It's just overall more efficient. It's cheaper, more relaxed, and I get better results.